that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
Good day, guys. I'm back with another video. This is dirty. I don't like it. Let's see, is that better? Is that better? I got a few errands to run real quick before I go to the vineyard. This top is from Ross. Highways are from Ross. My hair, I think I did a video on this hair, but I just have it up in a bun. I'm into the gold dainty stuff now. It has an R on it. It is warm today.
I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings
That's what I'm
to
saying.
myself.
We have a question. The Christmas boxes, they're $7, including the wine.
Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about.
Let's actually what I'm gonna eat.
I want some Whataburger.
I like Whataburger too, the Texas milk, Texas patty milk.
Everybody like Whataburger.
Excuse me. Oh. Mhm.
I just want to do this.
Chocolate raspberry. I have a problem. Like, I really love this wine. I normally don't like sweet stuff, but this is really good.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you?
Trying to put my lashes on. I gotta go to Walmart, get some boxes because your girl is moving into my new house. I have to come to this mirror to get my lashes right. Akina, if you know, you know.
See us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
Slowly but surely, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Do you hear me? Slowly but surely. There were a lot of boxes in here. My mom just cleaned some of them out of here. We got 2 that needs to be packed. My kitchen stuff, those are winter clothes. There, I just need those for the rest of this week. I don't know what I might get out of it. I might just put it in my room or like as a vanity couch or something like that. The bed can be broken down. Just the mattress needs to be carried. Mattress, this little couch, that desk, and that chair really can fit inside of a car. My product shelf is cleaned off. This is where I normally store my oils and stuff. Everything is just getting cleaned off. I gotta take this little decal down. I mean, I don't know, I may leave it for them to take down. I don't know if they'll charge it against me. I really don't care. The deposit is gonna get eaten up anyways. It never fails. No matter where you go, the deposit gets eaten up. Because this is not it, y'all. I feel like I wanted to make my way to California for Christmas, but because I have family up there. But I don't think I'm going because I don't have California money right now. So I got broccoli crunch. These are like sunflower seeds in here. Oh, bacon bits. Said I wasn't gonna do no meat today. I'm trying to let my body just like detox out. They've been setting up everything just in here, just putting everything in here against the wall. Y'all look at this. You know, this room here is initially supposed to have been my son's room. My room's right there across the hall. But yeah, I don't know. My dad might have to take these shelves back down. He built the shelf area, which didn't take long. He might have to take that down and migrate it right on over here in this room here, because it's cute. This is my room. It's gonna be my room. We have a sink sitting here. Is this a brand new sink? It is. I was wondering if they was gonna get a new sink to put in here, and yes, they are. Oh, oh, oh my God! I'm gonna show y'all before of the bathroom. And this is after. This is the half bath in my room. Isn't that crazy? It's so white and just alive. Y'all, my greenery and stuff is gonna look good in here. So the sink is gonna go there. The floors were painted. All of this was wallpaper. Y'all remember that was wallpaper up there. Y'all remember how the floors looked. Look at that. Yes, I'm so excited. It's great. So this is a new vanity that's going in there. Look at the mirror. So I guess the mirror is going to go up there, I'm guessing. Wow. And it's so bright in here. That's the new setup with the lights. My mom picked those out. Okay, little minor updates since the last video. My mom must have bought this. Well, it looks like she might have gotten it from home. No, she bought it. It's cute. So yeah, I definitely want the shelves in my room. It was from Ross. I definitely want the shelf in my room so I could do some greenery set up some greenery on my shelf. So yeah, we just have everything in here for now, out of the way. This is the full bathroom here. The floor is completely covered, 2 coats. You know, looks like the ceiling and all of that has been painted. Let me turn the light on. Yeah, everything has been painted. The last time y'all saw, none of this was painted. Oh my God. Someone put a shower head up. Rainfall. Y'all, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Look at my view from here. I love it. I think I'm gonna put like greenery, little succulent plants up there. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna pan up. Y'all remember how this looked before? I want the one that I bought. It'll fit. That one I was saying about I have at home. It's a frameless mirror. This is after. We have a gold faucet installed. It is so beautiful. I think a gold faucet is supposed to go in the kitchen as well. Look at here. Look at it. Oh my God. It looks so rich. I love it. So it's the same on, as you can see, it's the same right there. Look like they're slowly installing that little piece on the tub. The tub has been painted, as you guys saw. Look at this mirror. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is glamorized for sure. I'm gonna show you guys the light. It has diamonds inside of it. Look at that. Crystals or whatever you want to call it. Oh my God. That is crazy. And this is my closet. Somebody already put tissue and wipes in here. That is everything. Everything, everything. I love it. Painted again. Painted this living room area because it was a different color. It was like a off-white, I believe. So they did it white. See, they got some stuff laying down here. But I remember my mom saying over and over, like, I want the living room white to match the kitchen, you know. Everything just one color because it was two different colors. It was off-white and then the kitchen was just white. So she got everything jiving, which is nice. And I think, so you can see the difference here. There it is. That's what color the living room was right there. Everything looks so nice. As far as my Christmas decor outside, I don't know what we doing. Like, I also need a Christmas tree. I wanted numerous Christmas trees. I just been overspending elsewhere, y'all. I've been eating my money up. Most of my money, if I go over my budget, it's on food. And I'm thinking about food right now. Like, I want some crawfish, like, so bad. I want 5 pounds of crawfish. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. But these lanterns here, that one's mine on this side, and I think that's my mom's on this side. I was thinking about putting them outside and show you with the rest of my Christmas decor. Yeah, at least it's gonna be between these two, like I said. And I'm really going feeling this, but then, you know, like I said, this would bring out the white and stuff that's going on here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Lock up. I gotta wipe my table off and stuff. It's dusty. Still haven't done that. Needs to be washed off.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers.